Warriors, warriorettes. This horse was calling my soul, man. I was out here in nature. And I said, man, you know what, man? Let me go pet a horse right quick and meet a horse. And guess what the horse name is? Cash. The horse name is Cash. I never petted a horse a day in my life. Like, horse is beautiful, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, for real. Look at them. Part of me want to ride it, but I ain't making no noise, though. Not today, buddy. And horses, they were telling me horses, they feel, look at them, feel people energy. They're a good judge of energy, period. Like I was doing my normal walk, my normal 1-2. I said, man, that's a beautiful horse from far away, right? So I said, you know what I'm gonna do? I said, man, that's a long walk though, man. But something about the horse was calling my soul though, man. I said, let me go meet this horse, man. And that's crazy. The horse name is Cash, dog. The universe always speaking to you, man. Always. You can believe it, you can achieve it. This video wasn't about too much. I just wanted to show y'all the horse up close and personal. If you never seen a horse or been around a horse, I ain't never pet a horse in my damn my life. Skin was silky. Yeah, fur was silky. Smooth, tough though. I think she gonna ride it. I think she got to, yeah, saddle up on it though. I don't know how it go, but we about to witness it though. See how quiet and peaceful it is out here. That's what I come to for a peace of mind. Oh, here we go. Guess it's about to be some action. I don't know yet. The horse bigger than her, but I know she gonna handle it though. What exactly is she doing right now? What is it called?
Lunging?
Lunching?
Yeah, lunging. It's just to get his twerks out.
Okay, gotcha. I'm waiting, y'all, just like y'all waiting. I want to see. And I already know as soon as I stop the video, that's when she will get on it. Trying to hold out. Be patient. Man, this the first time the horse been by itself. There's three of them. But this is his first time out and about by itself, so they say he a little nervous.